Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to enter a sitemap in Google Search Console. I'm now inside my Google Search Console account, and to enter a sitemap, simply click on Sitemaps. Here you need to add or fill in or to enter your sitemap URL. This is my WordPress website, and this sitemap link is simply /sitemap.xml. As you see, I have four sitemaps. The first one is for posts or blog posts. The second one is for pages, for products, and for categories. Let's first add the blog posts sitemap. Simply copy this part of the link and go back to your Google Search Console account and paste it here. Click on submit and wait a moment. Now my sitemap was submitted successfully. Let's dismiss this message and repeat for the other sitemaps. Don't copy the full link, simply this last part of the link. Same thing, fill it here and hit submit. As you can see, my sitemap was also added successfully. Now keep adding all of these four sitemaps to your Google Search Console, and this is how to enter a sitemap in Google Search Console. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.